It has condensed milk, no cream, no gelatin, just 2 ingredients, and it's ready. In a bowl, let's start by adding 350 milliliters of ice cold water, then 300 grams of powdered milk, next a packet of Tang juice mix. I used pineapple flavor, and I'm going to mix all this very well. Now folks, I'll use chocolate chips. It's optional. You can use sprinkles or fruit pieces too, whatever you prefer. Let's mix this really well again. All set. Now pour it into your preferred container. I'm using a humble pan which looks nice and fits perfectly. After that, I added some more chocolate chips on top, just for decoration. All done. Just refrigerate and wait until it's chilled. Look how amazing this pineapple mousse is. Check out the texture. It's wonderful. Try making it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. Check out this budget-friendly recipe with just 2 ingredients, perfect for your Christmas. I hope you enjoyed it. Another recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.